We are going to be installing YQArch on AutoCAD version 2025, and the same procedure you will apply it in installing it on AutoCAD 2026 as well. So here is the installation file, and then you can see we have the ultimate guide and then the command shortcut right here. Alright, so if you want to download this, check the link in the description of this video to download it. Okay, let us start the installation. And so I will have to minimize this, and then I'll also minimize this as well, just like this. Okay, I'll expand this way. All right, so once I get this, I will need to copy this installation file to drive C. So I right click on it and copy, and navigate to look at disk C right here. You have to paste it here. So I click on continue to have it pasted successfully. I will rename this by removing the installation file name right here. Okay, then after which I will click right here, yes option. I will select on it and extract the file right here, just like this. Yes option to have the file extracted, just like this. Okay, so after which just have to open the file, which is the YQArch. Then in the system folder, open it. Once you scroll down, you see this option, install, drag it, and then paste it inside the AutoCAD version 2025 as well as version 2026, the same procedure you use also in version 2024. All right, so I just click on load once, and then I allow it to load successfully. So you give it some minute, it is loaded. You can see it here. So this is the YQ language. Okay, so to change the language, you just need to type on the keyboard YQL. So this YQL, and then you enter. That is the YQ language. You want to select English, pick on the English and click on the OK option. All right, so over here where we have the icon now, this has changed to English. If you click here, you can see. But two more things you need to do is that you need to just type YQ unit. All right, just like this. So you can be able to set the unit. The default unit is in inches. You can set it to centimeter, decimeter, and millimeter as well, millimeter. So we'll be using millimeter right here. I select that, click on the OK options, and then the last thing you will do is the scale, XD for scale, and enter. And then here you can now begin to select which of the scale 1:100 you want to use. All right, you want to use scale 1:1, it all depends. All right, so we go by scale 1:100 right here, and then you see, click on the OK options. All right, so the link for you to download this YQArch installation file is in the description, alongside with the ultimate guide that will actually teach you how to use this AI plugin for AutoCAD version 2025, 2026, 2024. It also works effectively for other lower version of AutoCAD successfully. All right, including a command shortcut for the YQArch successfully. You will get them download through the link in the description of this video. So check it out, and then we stop here. We see you in the next presentation. Bye for now.